If I had to start today with absolutely zero money, here's exactly how I'd rebuild my financial life from scratch. No fluff, no theory, just a step-by-step strategy anyone can follow. And I'd love to hear your version in the comments. First thing I'd do is focus on income. With zero money, survival is priority one. That means I'd grab any job that pays consistently. Delivery, retail, warehouse, night shifts, whatever's available. Don't worry about it being your dream job. The goal is cash flow. From my very first paycheck, I'd apply the 80-20th rule. Save at least 20% before I touch the rest. Even if it's just $50, that money becomes my seed for investing later. Most people wait until they earn more to start saving. That's a trap. You build discipline first, then wealth follows. Next, I'd stack a small emergency fund, at least $1,000. Why? Because emergencies are the #1 reason people swipe credit cards and get stuck in debt. A small safety net keeps me moving forward without setbacks. Once I hit around $500, $1,000 in savings, I'd put it into simple, low-cost investments like index funds or ETFs. Why? Because they grow steadily over time and I don't need to be a stock-picking genius. Even $100 invested monthly compounds massively over 10 years. At this stage, I'd start a side hustle. Freelancing, reselling products online, content creation, something I can scale outside my 9-to-5 job. A side hustle is how you accelerate the process from just surviving to actually building wealth. The last step is key: reinvest instead of spending. Every dollar I make from savings, investing, or side hustles, I'd pour back into the system. That's how you move from broke to financially independent. So that's my exact blueprint if I had to start with $0 today. Now I want to know, what would you do if you had to start over from scratch? Comment below, because your idea might inspire someone else.